We are in the latest version of the Grand. This is the Grand, but with a shed roof that goes all the way. Construction's just winding up. Final inspection tomorrow. Homeowners did an awesome job with the kitchenette. It's from IKEA. It's gorgeous color. Here's our nook for our washer and dryer. Little storage ledge up above. Electrical panel. We'll put art over that soon. Kitchen sink with the view to the big house. Again, the shed roof is just letting in tons of light. We got our skylight lined up on our kitchen window. It's feeling really good. I'll take you around into the bathroom. Waiting for the mirror, but nice IKEA toilet, double shower, towel bar. And then the fun curbless shower. Light just feels great again. And then coming into, this is a fun room that's gonna be guest bedroom. So there's a Murphy bed that pulls down here. Got our mini split on the wall. And then you see the plug in the floor, because the majority of the time this is gonna be an office and this is gonna be a desk. So we've got room on the side to push the desk over here and hopefully put the Peloton here. When it's a guest house. And otherwise this is going to be the view into the garden that'll get done before too long. So let me show you the outside too.